Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by long pressing an empty area of the home screen to open the customization menu. This gives you direct access to home settings. Once the menu appears, tap Settings or Home Settings so you can change layout and icon style. If you don't see options, make sure your MIUI is updated. Older builds hide advanced controls. You're taking control now, so changes apply system-wide rather than to single apps, which keeps the launcher consistent across screens. Now adjust layout and icons. Tap Home Layout to set grid size or icon density, which determines how many app icons fit per page. Next, choose icon style to swap shapes, labels, or a different pack. This is where visual identity changes. If you prefer a theme or custom icon pack, open the Themes app, pick the pack, and apply it. Make sure to confirm Apply to Launcher. These steps change both look and spacing, so preview each change before exiting. To finalize, press back to save and inspect each home page for alignment and spacing. Sometimes restarting the launcher or the device makes updates appear correctly. If icons overlap or layouts break, open Home Settings and choose Reset to return defaults, then reapply your chosen layout. If you plan big theme swaps, back up current settings or note your preferences so you can restore them quickly. One tip: if a third-party icon pack causes issues, uninstall it and restart the phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.